Today the class of capacitance, Sangharitra. The concept of capacitance: when a conductor is charged, then its potential rises. The increase in potential is directly proportional to the charge given to the conductor. So, Q vary as V or Q equal to C.B. where C is constant known as capacity of conductor. Capacitance is a scalar physical quantity with dimension, that is C equal to Q by V, where Q is the charge and V is the potential. Hence, the unit of capacitance is depending upon the charge and the ratio of volume. So it is also read by Q square by V, and their unit will be A T square upon potential difference, that is watt. That is the unit of potential difference. So watt, that is the power of unit of power, which can be measured by the dimension ml2 t minus 2, that is ml2 t minus 2. That can be written AT square upon ml2 t minus 2, that is the dimension. Unit of capacitance is, SI unit of capacitance is farad or and coulomb per volt. Now the condenser or the capacitance, that is my topic. Condenser or capacitors, the pair of conductor of opposite charge on which sufficient quantity of charge may be accommodated is defined as condenser. The principle of condenser depend upon the base fact of capacitance if increased by the decreasing of potential. So here C equal to Q by V. As now I am going to discuss about the grouping of capacitance according to the capacitance, there are two groups, that is in series and parallel. In series in parallel. Today I am discuss only the in series श्रेणी क्रम सम्मोहन कि श्रेणी क्रम में हम किस प्रकार से कैपेसिटेंस को एक्सप्रेस करते हैं। इस चीज़ के लिए केवल आज हम इन सीरीज में जाएंगे और इन सीरीज क्लियर अबाउट द रिजल्टेंट and equivalent capacitance. Now this is the today class that can be expressed as what is in series combination. In series combination can be defined as in a capacitance the condensing plate is added to the capacitance other condensing plate, means the second end of first condensing plate added to the first end of the second condensing plate and last end of second condensing plate added to the first end of the third condensing plate, means all are connected partially to each other. समूहीकरण में एक प्रकार के संधारित्र के संघनक प्लेट दूसरे संघनक प्लेट के फर्स्ट एंड से जुड़े होते हैं और दूसरे कंडेंसिंग प्लेट का सेकंड एंड फर्स्ट कंडेंसिंग प्लेट के फर्स्ट एंड से जुड़े होते हैं एंड थर्ड एंड ऑफ द कंडेंसिंग प्लेट इज अर्थेड, जमीन मिट्टी से जुड़ा रहता है। इस प्रकार नाउ द स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ इन सीरीज कंडेंसिंग प्लेट। C1, C2 and C3 are the three condensing plate have the same charge but opposite, that is plus q minus q plus q minus q plus q minus q. First end charged by positive and second is by the negative charge. Similarly in all the condensing plate. Condensing plate. In this condensing plate or grouping of in series combination, all the plates are charged commonly, their charge is common, but the potential difference between the plates are differ. So the potential difference is V1, V2, V3. Capacitance are also different, so their potential difference are differ to each the capacitance, because the charge are similar and opposite in all the capacitance according to rule and law of the capacitance. Suppose C1, C2 and C3 are the capacitance of the capacitors which are added in series. If V1 and V2 and V3 are their potential difference, then when a Q charge is introduced on the capacitors C1, C2 and C3, then according to the definition of potential difference, V equal to Q upon C, that is the first equation. Potential difference in all the plates are differ, so the total potential is going on this structure of in series combination. Let consider that is V, then V equal to V1 plus V2 plus V3, that is suppose equation second. Now V1 equal to, according to the first equation, V1 equal to Q upon C1, V2 equal to Q upon C2 and V3 equal to Q upon C3. Hence, when the relation of V equal to V1 plus V2 plus V3, then if we put the value of equation first and value of equation third, into equation second. Then when we get the putting of equation first and equation third in second, then we get Q upon C equal to Q upon C1 plus Q upon C2 plus Q upon C3. If we get common Q from both sides, then Q upon C equal to Q 1 by C1 plus 1 by C2 plus 1 by C3. Now abolish this both. Then when we eliminate Q in both left and right side, then we get 1 by C equal to 1 by C1 plus 1 by C2 plus 1 by C3. Hence, this is the in series combination of capacitance, so it is denoted as CS, that is 1 by C1 plus 1 by C2 plus 1 by C3 plus so on 1 by Cn. Here CS is equivalent capacitance. As you know, the combination of or grouping of capacitance in series, their resultant is 1 by CS equal to 1 by C1 equal to 1 by C2 plus 1 by C3, that is the equivalent resistance of the capacitors in series combination. That is the most important questions and valuable in all the coming examination. So I express their terms that can be written in also this manner. If we take two capacitance or condensing plate C1 and C2, then their equivalent capacitance is 1 upon C equal to 1 upon Cn plus 1 upon C2. That resulting 1 by C equal to C1 plus C2 upon C1 C2 or C equal to C1 C2 upon C1 plus C2. This is the method to calculate the equivalent resistance in series combination of a capacitors. Tomorrow I will discuss about in parallel combination of resistance or capacitors condensing plate. For this I request, if the plan of in series combination of condensing plate is like to be better expression in your mind, then सब्सक्राइब अवश्य करें अपने दोस्त, फ्रेंड्स और रिलेशन में निश्चित रूप से शेयर करें और लाइक करें। थैंक यू फॉर द नेक्स्ट विजिट। गुड बाय।